The Gagne CAD Configurator makes it easy to find and download custom 3D models of the products you need, all right from the website. From the home page, open the Gagne Online Bellows CAD Configurator directly from the main menu. From here, you can navigate to the product type you need from the available product lines and models. On the left, you can customize the product to meet your application needs. Meanwhile, the configurator updates the product number automatically. On the right, you see an interactive 3D preview of the product, which you can rotate and zoom within the 3D viewer. The configurator offers a wide range of views, so you can see the critical dimensions and up-close details. When you're happy with the product, click Download CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. You can also choose a file format by category, or by typing the name of the CAD system into the search bar. Next, click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. You can also generate a 3D PDF datasheet. These files include an interactive 3D viewer, product specs, standard features, and more. This is great for those who need to access the product information but don't need a large CAD file. For more great products, go to gagneinc.com and visit partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.